Hello guys, it's our part 4 of our DBMS tutorial, and today we're going to be learning relationship in a database. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 3 types of relationships: one-to-one relation, one-to-many relation, and many-to-many relation. Now first of all, let's see the one-to-one relation. In a one-to-one relationship, one entity has a relation with another one entity. Basically, the name itself suggests one-to-one means single entity relationship with another single entity. Let's take an example. If there is an employee and that employee works for a department, a single department, one employee, one department, that is a one-to-one relationship. What is the relation? Relation is works. Employee, works, department. These will be the 3. Means first of all, in the rectangle, in an ER model, we'll put a rectangle and write employee, and in between, to show a relation, we will put a triangle or a diamond, and on the other side we will put department in a rectangle to show that an employee works for the department. And if every employee can only work for one department, means if there is an employee named E2 can only work for one department. If there are 12 departments, he has to choose one of them. Means one entity can only have a relationship with another one entity, then this is called a one-to-one relationship. Now, moving on to the one-to-many relationship. In this relationship, one entity can have a relation with multiple entities. But some people think that if it can have a relationship with multiple entities, then it means that it can't have a relation with single entity. But actually, it's just a misunderstanding. In a one-to-many relationship, an entity can have a relation with one or more entities. For example, if we have an entity set named customer and an entity set named order, and the relation is buys. So, in a one-to-many relation, one customer can buy multiple orders, but one order can't be bought by multiple customers. Moving on, let's see the many-to-many relationship. The many-to-many relationship is very simple. It basically, the name itself suggests that many entities can have a relationship, means one or more than one entities can have a relationship with one or more than one entities. Basically, if we try to understand it with an example, then we can take an example of student. The relation is study, and the course is the another entity. Multiple students can learn or can study multiple courses, and multiple courses can be studied by multiple students. Means if there is a student who has a course of science, computer, social studies, then science, computer and social studies can also be done by another students, because it is a many-to-many relationship, not a one-to-many relationship or many-to-one. It's a many-to-many relationship. So basically, multiple entities means one or more entities can have a relationship with another one or more entity. Simple topic it is, but many people confuse it with one-to-many relationship or many-to-one relationship. But it is quite different. Many-to-many relationship means many entities can have a relationship with many entities. But in one-to-many entity relationship, one entity can have a relationship with one or more entities. I think till now it's very clear, and I've conveyed the message I wanted to convey, and you all must have understood what I wanted you to understand. So make sure to leave a like on this video. So YouTube boost this video a little bit. Leave a like there and leave a happy little comment over there, because the YouTube algorithm loves this.